मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट्सएप चैनल पे आपका सभी का स्वागत है। और आप सभी के लिए हम फिजिक्स सब्जेक्ट में जो रेजिस्टेंस से रिलेटेड कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स और उसके कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आए हैं। सो आज आपको ये चैनल जो है वो सब्सक्राइब करना है और अच्छी लगे तो फॉरवर्ड करना है और कम से कम 3 दोस्तों को ज़रूर फॉरवर्ड कीजिएगा। ओके, सो थैंक यू वेरी मच स्टूडेंट्स। सो हम आज आपके लिए लाए हैं रेजिस्टेंस के कुछ टिपिकल न्यूमेरिकल्स जो कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में पूछे जाते हैं। ओके, सो देखिए, फर्स्ट टू फाइंड द रेजिस्टेंस, टोटल रेजिस्टेंस एंड करंट। ओके, आई फॉर करंट in given circuit. This is the electric circuit, typical electric circuit. Solution: X and Y, there are two terminals, initial to final. Okay, and attached in 2 volt battery in electric circuit. So firstly we can see 2 ohm. There are two resistances series combinations. Okay, so series combination, first R equal to 2 plus 2 means 4. Okay, so this is the second 4, and this is the next terminals, and this terminal, both are parallel. So 4 plus 3, this is the parallel combination RP, and RS the series resistance. Okay, so we can solve. 3 4s are 12 and 3 and 4, 3 4 plus 7, 7 by 4 3s are 12. So this is the RP, and direct RP is equal to 12 upon 7. So 12 upon 7 is the combined, and we can solve 12 by 7 and R. Again parallel combinations, you can see these and these. Okay, so 12 by 7, 1 upon plus 1 upon 4, so 7 by 12. Okay, this and this, there are two resistance we can solve in the parallel combinations of resistance. So it's very easy to make, and then 1 by 4 we can calculate 2 and 4 multiplications in 2 terms. Okay, and again 7 4, the 28 plus 12, again you can solve 1 upon R, then 1 upon R, 24 plus 12, so 40 upon 12 into 4, 4 is the 1 and 10, so 10 by 12, and R equal to 12 by 10, अपोजिट हो जाएगा. So R equal to 12 by 10. So this terminal are 12 by 10 attached in both terminals. So 12 by 10, these and these, there are two terminals, again series form. So RS 1 upon 10 plus 4 by 1, series combination is directly attached in two resistance, so we can solve easily series combination, and RS and R equal, the LCM is 10, so 12 by 40. Okay, 12 by 40, 52 by 10. This is the R resultant. R resultant, this is the first answer. R resistance is equal to 52 by 10. Okay, student. So Second step, Ohm's law. We know that Ohm's law, V is equal to IR, simply. Okay, student. So we know that Ohm's law, potential is directly proportional to the current, and R is the resistance. This is the constant. And to find the current with the help of this formula, I equal to V upon R. Then R equal to V is equal to is given that 2 volt, and R is resultant as 52 upon 10. We can easily solve 10 in up by 52, and then I equal to 20 by 52 ampere. Okay, student. So easily divided by 20 divided by 52, approximately 0.3 something. Okay, and 20 by 52, this is the answer. Okay, depend on these options. There are 4 options in competitive exams. Okay, so this is the solve easily, students. So next topic is color code for carbon resistance. This is the most important exam of competitive exams. Mostly we can easily solve. We can see the pictures of resistance. Okay, so use in electronic circuit, electric and electronic circuit mostly used, and this is the simple to find the resistance. In the formula, R equal to, R is the resistance, R equal to A dot B into 10 to the power C plus minus D%. So what is A, B, C and D? So A, B and C and A, B, C is the color. Okay, color of the resistance. So for example, this is the red, yellow and green, and there are D% are gold, silver. Okay, and there is no color. There are 3. Okay, to 5 and 10% and 12%. There is no current is 12%. Okay, so very easy. Golden is the gold is the 5%, silver is the 10%, and no color is to 20%. Only for discussing D%. Okay, so there are 3 types: Great Britain, very good wife. Okay, this is the range, depend on this color. Okay, so first is the black, and this is the brown, and this is the red, orange, yellow and green. Okay, violet. Okay, white, and this is the first is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and depending this condition. So for example, in this formula use, so very easy, calculate. So with the help of the code, this is the टेबल फॉर्म, ये हमारे नॉलेज के लिए भी हम याद रख सकते हैं और यहाँ पे वैल्यूज पुट कर सकते हैं. सो फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज द सिल्वर. ओके, सिल्वर करंट. सो देखिए आर मतलब रेजिस्टेंस, ए जो है वो रेड है, रेड जो है वो 2 पे डिपेंड है. ओके, 2 नंबरिंग में 2 पे आ रहा है रेड. और येलो स्टूडेंट्स हमारा 4 नंबर पे आ रहा है. सो 2 4 इंटू 10 टू द पावर सी. सी किस पे आ रहा है स्टूडेंट? सी मतलब ग्रीन है, ग्रीन मतलब 5 नंबर पे आ रहा है. So this is the 5 plus minus D%, D मतलब सिल्वर, सिल्वर किसका है स्टूडेंट 10%. So this is the resistance color code for the carbon resistance. To find the simply resistance to 4 into 10 to the power 5 plus minus 10%. So very easy, and the most important questions exam of view and depend on this very simple BB Rao, Great Britain, very good wife. Okay student, so this is the black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, violet, black, white. Okay, so depending this number, आप लोग ये याद रख के आप इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं इजीली. Okay, this is the color code for carbon resistance. So many questions solved in this using silver and no color. Okay, so last वाली जो हमारे पास आ रही है वो कौन से कलर पे की, वो परसेंटेज पे आएगी, और ए बी सी जो है वो कलर कोड आएंगे स्टूडेंट, और इस पे आप वैल्यू रख के हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं. ये ऑप्शंस में आएंगे आपके पास, है ना. जो भी ऑप्शंस आपके पास आते हैं वो आपको टिक करना है. इसको हम इस टेबल के थ्रू इसकी वैल्यूज फाइंड कर सकते हैं इजीली. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो ओके स्टूडेंट, सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस of any electric circuit. So we can see electric circuit, the R is external resistance, there are two terminal A and B, and small r is the internal resistance. Okay, see E is the EMF of this cell. Okay, EMF of in this cell, and small r is the resistance depending the cathode and anode. Okay, and we can easily internal formula small r is equal to capital R E upon V minus 1. V is the potential difference between two electrode. Okay, V is the potential difference and E is the internal resistance. Okay, sorry, small r is the internal resistance and E is the EMF of the cell. Okay, so we can easily solve in this formula, use and small r is equal to capital R E upon 1. So E upon B 1 इधर आ जाएगा स्टूडेंट, 1 plus. Okay, so next E equal to V 1 plus R upon R. Okay, so next step E equal to V plus VR upon R. This is different formulae of internal resistance to find the EMF of in the cell. Okay, so very easy to way, and we are calculate the internal resistance, EMF, and potential difference and external resistance of between two terminals. Okay, so depend on this value we can easily solve in these pictures of internal resistance of formula, and internal resistance formula of small r is equal to capital R E upon V minus 1. So where E is equal to EMF, V is equal to potential difference, and small r is equal to internal resistance of the electrode. Okay, of the cell. Okay, so very easy, and using the the famous formula of internal resistance to find of any electrode. Okay student, so thank you very much. आपको आज का टॉपिक जैसा लगा आप बताइए, कमेंट्स कीजिए व्हाट्सएप चैनल को, और हम इसके आगे इसके अच्छे न्यूमेरिकल्स आगे बताएंगे हम आपको, जो हमने आज क्वेरी और कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स कार्बन कोड के बताए हैं आपको. सो आपको आज का लेक्चर कैसा लगा बिल्कुल कमेंट्स में दीजिए. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए चैनल को, यदि अभी आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा हो तो स्टूडेंट सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए चैनल को, तो हम आपको आगे अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियो और लेके आ पाएंगे. और आपके फ्रेंड्स को फॉरवर्ड भी कीजिए, कम से कम तीन स्टूडेंट्स या 3 आपके फर्स्ट फ्रेंड को फॉरवर्ड कीजिए हमारा लेक्चर्स. और आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक जरूर कीजिए स्टूडेंट. Okay, so thank you very much.